Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. I hope everybody is having a beautiful day. It's been rainy here, so it's just been kind of blah. So I thought I'd go ahead and do a video. I'm going to do a swipe today. I'm on a 10 by 10 canvas. It's a deep edge from Jerry's Artarama. I have my PPG Multi-Pro, and then I'll put all the colors and everything in the description. And I'm just going to go ahead and throw in some music, and I hope you enjoy and have a beautiful day.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here? For a while I'm alive, and I take you in. I've been falling, when I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow falling? Little peace of mind. You dream away for a day. All I need is true, and I'm falling, calling when I